Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So this video will explain about assembly drawing. So what we have to do first is to assemble all the parts that we have drawn before, which is a flange stand. Okay. So what you have to do first is to open up all the drawing. Okay, through here, open your flange, your counter bore, bolt, countersink screw, nut and stand. So in total we have 5 parts. Okay, so I have it here. Okay, and then minimize it. Okay, so we have all the 5 items that we need to assemble. Okay, now when you already open all, then you minimize all the parts and then we need to assemble the parts. So how to assemble? We have to click new, choose the assembly and then click OK. Okay, now it is easier for us to open up all the components so that when we want to assembly, it automatically appear here. Okay, all the open document already appear here. Okay, we just need to drag one by one. Okay, so our main body part is flange. Click flange and drag to here and then click. Okay, so we have our main body. Next we want to insert another component, okay, which is stand. The second part, put it here roughly, okay, because we want to attach to the flange, right? So just put it here, and then same goes to our small parts, which is counter bore, counter sink and nut. Okay, we have to put our counter bore here. Okay, and then again insert our countersink screw here, and we need another one of countersink screw. Just put it here, and last one we have our nut back here. Okay, so the standard component here seems to be not in the position that we want, right? So we need to rotate our parts. Okay, so how to rotate? We have to click here, move component. Either we want to move ataupun rotate. Okay, so just click rotate first to rotate our part. Okay, let's say for example I take this one, make it straight like that. That's it. Same goes to this one. Okay, our nut also we need to rotate, as well as our counter bore. Okay, if you want to move the component, just click move and then nearer, and then continue rotate our part so that the angle is a bit okay lah. Okay, and then click OK here. So now we have the position of all the component. Okay, now we want to mate. Okay, in mate, as I mentioned before, we only focus on the concentric and coincident. First thing first, we do the concentric first. So what the concentric can do is to align the hole. Okay, just click the thread here and to align with this circle, the hole. Okay, same goes to this screw. We want to do concentric, right? Click OK first. Okay, again, concentric this one with this hole. Okay, click OK, and then concentric again with this hole. Okay, and then okay, concentric again this hole. Sorry, concentric this hole with this hole. Okay, so don't forget to click OK. Again, concentric this hole with this one. Okay, nice. One more. Click OK. Concentric again. This screw with this hole. Okay, nice. So now we have already concentric all the screw and bolt through their own hole. Okay, now we want to coincident to make it attached to the surface. So now coincident is focused on the surface. So let's take this surface first with this one. Okay, it is automatically will engage with their surface. Click OK. Now coincident again with from this surface to this surface. Okay, nice. And then click OK. Coincident again between this surface and this surface. Nice. Okay, and then coincident again countersink surface with this, and last one this surface with this surface. So that's it. That's how we assemble our parts. Now we are going to do the exploded view. Okay, so how to do the exploded view? Under assembly, click exploded view. Okay, so then we have to click plus here so that we can see all the manager tree down here, all our product. So we need to start with the parts from the bottom because this is the last part that we assemble, right? So we need to explode this one first. Okay, start from this one. Just click nut. So we have already the direction, the path of the nut. Okay, so we need to refer to our question. Okay. Okay, from this question, we know that the direction and the distance that we want to explode the part. Okay, so you have to refer to this question. Okay, back to here. Okay, so we have our assemble parts. In order to start explode, we have to click under assembly here, click exploded view, and then click the plus sign here. If it did not appear, you just click here to make it out like this. So we have to make sure that if you want to do the exploded view, we have to start from the part at the bottom. Okay, because this is the last part that we assemble, right? So click nut. Okay, so it is selected blue color here, and then scroll down. So for nut, we want to move it to negative Z direction with 50 mm distance. Okay, so negative Z. So we choose the Z axis first. Just click the arrow here, and then make it reverse direction. And then we change the distance 50. And then click apply. Okay, done for nut. Next, counter screw. Since counter screw is similar, both counter screw, the distance and the direction is similar, so just click both Make sure both are turned into blue color here, and then the direction is Y direction with distance 35. Okay, Y direction, so click this arrow, Y axis. No need to reverse the direction because it's going up with the distance 35. Click apply and done. Okay, next we have counter bore. So for counter bore, we need to move it to the Z direction with 50 mm distance. Z direction, just click this arrow. No need to reverse the direction. Again, the distance is 50. Right, 50 mm, apply and done. And last one we have stand. Our stand here, we want to move it to the negative Z direction with 35 mm distance. Negative Z, so we have to choose the Z direction first and reverse it. And change to 35 mm distance, apply and done. So we get the exploded view of our parts and then click OK. Okay, so next we have to do the explode line sketch in order to show that the part is aligned in the same level. Okay, so click under assembly, explode line sketch. Okay, then click the hole that we want to select. Then click OK. Now for the countersink with this hole. Okay, make sure the arrow is pointing down. Okay. Again, assembly, exploded line sketch, explode line sketch. The arrow pointing down. Okay, and then click the hole. Then click OK. Okay, and then last one for this item, reverse the arrow and then click the hole and click OK. That's it. Okay, now last but not least, you have to save your document. Okay, make sure it is under the isometric view and then click save as. You can use exploded fringe assembly and then save. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.